What's going on? I've got a Classic Brands Cool Gel Memory Foam mattress. It's a king size, it's a 14-inch, so let's get it on the bed. Somehow I've got to get it up the stairs first though. 2 people carried this in, so I've got some work to do. There we go. It just won't turn. There. All right, let me bring the camera around this way so you can look at the bed. All right, gotta get the old mattress off. Okay. Looks like it might slide out pretty easy. It's like vacuum sealed. Stuff with 10-year limited warranty. Looks like it's starting to expand already. It says to allow 24 to 72 hours for the mattress to regain its full shape. It ain't gonna be that long because we gotta sleep on it tonight. All right, here goes. Pillows right here. Oh, that actually feel pretty heavy. I guess they're gonna expand too. It's upside down. All right, let's let it sit for a second and see what it does. One hour later. 2 hours later. 6 hours later. 26 hours later. All right, it has been 75 hours. We decided not to sleep on it that night because it was taking forever to get expanded all the way. And it still feels like the middle of it is not completely expanded. I can still feel like a crease in the middle, which I don't know if that's a indication of that it needs to expand some more. But it looks like on the edges it's higher than in the middle. The other issue I have is that it's wider than our actual frame. Our frame in our old mattress is about 74.5 inches. And this mattress here is about 78.5, almost 75 inches. So it's actually hanging over our frame. I don't know if they sell different size king mattresses, but it's a king size mattress. Our frame is a king size frame. So anyway, I think we're going to go ahead and sleep on it tonight. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do an update video after about a month of sleeping on it. So we're going to try it out and then I'll let you know how it works. But it also came with these 2 pillows like this. You can see how comfortable it is. I mean, it is comfortable, I'm not going to lie. Kind of just sink down into it. But let's see how it works out tonight. But yeah, I mean, it feels good right now. But like I said, I'll come back with an update video. Thanks again for watching. Just trying to provide some information on this brand online somewhere. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.